Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 9, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key. From here, select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold the power key and volume up. And you're going to hold them till you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. There we go. Once you see it, you can let go. And there we go. So this is basically the recovery mode for HUAWEI. From here you can simply tap on whichever option you want to go to. As you can see, you can boot into safe mode here, do some updates, clear data, which has factory reset and wipe cache, and also restart, which takes you back to Android. So this is what I'm going to be sticking with. I'm just going to tap on it, and there we go. Now I'm saying Android. This might be Android or Harmony OS, one of the two, but they both look exactly the same. And there we go, so we are back in. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.